So आप कुछ ऐसे 3 mistakes, 4 mistakes which you generally come across, which young lawyers tend to make mistakes, and but they are heart of the clause which cannot be avoided.
Right. So, if at all I have to name three, then I would say there are three classic mistakes we see often. The first one is that we end up getting confused with venue and seat of arbitration.
Exactly.
No matter how many times courts have ended up clarifying this, we often see that yes, court people do these mistakes. Second is not specifying the which institution will govern it.
Okay.
If at all it is going to play out in your favor, then why not put it right there directly?
Right.
And thirdly, not mentioning the governing law. If your arbitration clause is there, however, it fails to govern the law that which law will dictate it or take it forward, then even despite the fact that you have mentioned something, I mean, it misses the point. And it will end up affecting a lot to the parties who are involved in it. So I would call that yes, we should be careful about these specific as a novice, as a fresher rather, not a novice, as a fresher.